YIHO Group Limited. Established in 2004.
YIHO has developed a comprehensive supply chain, encompassing warehousing, processing, and logistics. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and a skilled workforce, we ensure efficient production and exceptional quality to meet diverse stainless steel processing needs. Our main products are stainless steel cold-rolled, hot-rolled coils and sheet, angle bar, round bar, etc. We keep an inventory of 8,000 tons per month, of which the export volume is about 2,500 tons. We have a number of factories across the country, including a re-rolling factory in Jinhua, Zhejiang, a profile factory and thick plate processing factory in Yangcheng, Jiangsu, and a warehousing and processing center in Wuxi, Jiangsu. Our team comprises approximately 300 employees, with 30 in domestic department and 20 in export department. We have 7 branches and offices worldwide. We welcome your inquiries and look forward to long-term cooperation.